Hi my beautiful people, welcome one day more to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share with you my beauty secrets through this beauty review with Lifetrons products. So let's get started. I'm going to share with you this little demonstration with the Ultra Cleanser Lifetrons and the Eye Rejuvenator, designed especially to treat the eye and mouth area. So the first step is to apply a little bit of the cream or the skincare in the area of the eyes. This is the right movement to apply it. As you can see, the tool has two speed levels, low or high. It depends on what you need. You can choose one or another. And this is the amazing Ultra Cleanser from Lifetrons. I really love this product. It leaves my skin perfect and smoother. And guys, this is all for today. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay tuned. More news soon.